Alright guys, I'm going to show you today how to pull off the side body panels, side and the front, and remove the seat and remove the tank on the KLR 650. This is a 2015 model. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The only thing you need for this is an 8mm socket, 10mm socket, and a Phillips head. So to remove the side panels, we're going to use the 8mm, and there's just this one here. I'm going to put these right here, and then this just pulls out. And because I have these bars on here, I have to be very careful not to scratch it. And then you do the same to the other side. I'm actually not going to remove the other side, but it's the exact same procedure. And then for the seat, it's going to be the 10mm. On both sides, and I already have the other side done, just to speed up the process. And a washer. Once you've done that, the seat will lift up and pull back. That clip there goes in here. So that's the seat. For the tank, there's a few things you need to make sure you do. One is turn off the fuel, like that. And then we're going to have to remove the fuel lines. This is the fuel line here that comes from the tank. So we need to remove this clip, pull it down, and then pull this off of the tank. So first thing we're going to do is remove this clip. Basically, you just need to get it off of the piece on the tank where it connects. So you just need to bring it down to there probably. And then just pull the line down. Probably going to have a little bit of a drip, but not much. Just leave that hose hanging there. Next you'll have, should be a vent line under here. And you should be able to see that vent line right there. See? So that one's pulled off. Next you're going to use your 10mm. undo these two bolts. And actually I'm going to just leave them in place, almost out. Okay, while I do the front fairing, or the front body panels, sorry. And that's going to be an 8mm for the front, for this piece. One here. Actually, before I do those, I'm going to go ahead and do these two Phillips heads top. With the washer. Alright, back to the 8mm. Oh, it's not gonna like that. Okay, I switched to an adapter with a thinner extension and a smaller 8mm. It's just a converter, but that should allow me to get down to this 8mm here behind the crash bars. And then there's one all the way up in here. It's a long one. Not sure why it's so long, but interesting. And to the other side. Not all crash bars allow you to get to these bolts this easily. The SW Motex, which is what I have, do, so that's one good thing about them. I'm going to get the longer extension for this. to get these out around the bars. Pull it up, pull it back, and out this way. The spacer fell out when I did that. I'll have to figure out where that goes. Now the other side. Pull it out. There's the other spacer. Alright, they're both out of the rubber grommets. There goes the other spacer. Tilt it back. Out. Okay, next, we've disconnected the fuel line, turned it off, removed the vacuum line, or drain line, breather line. Anyway, got that off. So the two 10mm are the only thing holding the tank. That one's not loose enough. Gotta get the tank off. Pull this line off here. Just leave it hanging. Actually, I'll have to put it under that piece. For now. So then you lift the tank up here and just pull back towards you. Like that. And out. Like that. It's probably better to set it like that. So that's it. Body panels off, tank off, seat off.